Oops.
Well, that's all right. We'll just get the clothes out of there. Yeah. I haven't taken the mic wire.